Now children, there is one exercise on page number 46. Pick out the finite verbs and simple infinitives from the following sentences. This we will do in the copy. You will make one column, one side finite verbs, another side simple infinitives, and the way you did in subject and predicate. And you'll write all finite verbs one side and infinitives, simple infinitives on the other side. Here I am explaining you only, and this exercise will be done in the copy. That will be more easy for you to understand. Alright? First sentence is, Jim loves to play the piano and listen to the classical music. Now here, loves is finite verb. Why? Because it agrees with the subject Jim. And to play and listen, to is hidden. So it's to play and to listen. It's a simple infinitive. Alright. Another sentence is, she decided to go to Delhi the next day. Now here, decided is a finite verb and to go is simple infinitive. I will send you the image, you'll do from that. Here you just listen and try to understand. We agreed to be friends and not to fight with one another. Now here, agreed is finite verb and to fight, to be and to fight are simple infinitives. Agreed is a finite verb. To be, to fight are simple infinitives. Alright. Now number 4. The soldiers wished to return home, so the king ordered them to march back to the camp. Now here, wished and ordered are finite verbs. To return, to march are simple infinitives. Number 5. Rana was ready to sit for the examination, but sudden illness forced him to change his plan. Now here, was and forced are finite verbs. To sit and to change are simple infinitives. Alright. Now see number 6. It is our duty to observe our Independence Day. Now here is finite verb. To observe, simple infinitive. Next is, mother rose early in the morning to prepare our breakfast. Rose is finite and to prepare is simple infinitive. Number 8 is, it is never good to lie. Is finite. To lie is simple infinitive. Number 9. He always does what his parents tell him to do. Does is finite. Tell is also finite. And to do is the simple infinitive. Clear? The bird wanted to fly away to a distant land. Now here, wanted is finite verb. To fly is simple infinitive. With this, after doing this exercise, finite verb and simple infinitive will be more clearer to you. Okay. Now, how to do it? I will send you the image through which you will see how to do it, and you will do this exercise in your copy. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. Thank you.